Be down, coming my way. Ah! Hey everyone, welcome back to Sigma Surf. Shredder here. Just cooking some bacon in southern Nicaragua. And I figured while the bacon cooked, I would give you a real quick overview of our really simple, really awesome $500 a month Airbnb in southern Nicaragua. Yeah, we pay about 500 bucks a month for this place. And we've got about a half acre to ourselves. As you can see, nice mural on the wall, place to hang our clothes, air conditioner. Now I always use Airbnb for a monthly stay in Nicaragua, especially if I haven't stayed at the property before, because Airbnb has all kind of protections built in. If something weird is going down during your stay, you can contact Airbnb and get it taken care of. A lot of times, if you need to move on an emergency basis because something has gone wrong with your property, Airbnb will give you like $150 a day for 3 or 4 days to find somewhere to get transport. And yeah, I've never had a problem with Airbnb. Airbnb is actually I probably use Airbnb 90% of the time when I'm doing these monthly rentals. And I'm also the kind of traveler who prefers not to stay at a hotel or a hostel. I like to be kind of on my own and more private. I don't really want to be around a lot of people. And so Airbnb, the monthly Airbnb, is just solution for me. This is our shower. It's an outdoor shower. There's no hot water. There's not hot water in most of Nicaragua. It's really nice. Coming into the kitchen, it's small and simple. This is where we lock everything up at night. Lock with a master lock. Pretty simple kitchen. Gas stove. Bacon bubbling. It's gonna need to be flipped here in a second. Got some eggs. Got some avocado. A sink. Lots of dishes. Water. We have a groundskeeper who comes every couple of days and checks in on us. When we need water, he goes and gets us water. It costs us about $3 for 5 gallons. We have a little mini fridge here. As we see, we have some granola, some jelly, some Frosted Flakes, a beer, some milk, and a pot of rice. There's a freezer up top. We got some hamburger in there. We got a nice little washing machine that has a spider in it at the moment. Now finally for where the magic happens. We got AC, a little workstation with a computer, and a bed. Everything you could ask for in an Airbnb. Nothing you don't need. A bathroom. Pretty simple. We're about a 10-minute walk from Playa Amarilla. We're about a 35-minute walk from Playa Colorados. We prefer to be somewhere where you don't have to drive. We don't like to rent cars. We spend enough time in rental cars in cars as it is in America. Ooh, bacon's starting to cook. It's time for the flip. We prefer not to drive. We prefer to be somewhere where we can walk to the surf. We like to be able to cook because cooking is how you save money in Central America. Yeah, just how we like it, nice and chocolate. Anyways, we hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm gonna finish cooking breakfast. No surf today, it's on shore. We're headed home in a couple of days. I wish I could say I wasn't excited, but I am excited to get out of Nicaragua, as I always am at the end of the season. Pura vida. Breakfast be looking pretty fire though. Yum, yum, yum.